It.
Go.
All right. So I'm here with Ethan, and Rachel's holding the camera now. and we want to recap your story. So you were looking in Fairfield, California for places that fit your price level, right?
We did. So we kind of we saw the idea, got it in our head, did some research, and within 2 weeks, we kind of went out and were hunting for an apartment. And most of the places that we saw, we started with, because of the region, we started with apartment complexes.
Right.
Most of these apartment complexes wanted this business entity for corporate housing. They would allow corporate housing, but you'd have to be a business entity.
Okay.
So that's what we did.
So we talked about that, and we got you, or did you already have an EIN number?
No, we got one.
Okay, got one. Great.
In about 30 seconds.
That's about how long it takes.
Yeah.
And then we saw that video of you already, that you were up and going. You showed us your place.
Yeah.
And then you had someone on the hook, and then what happened?
So we had someone on the hook, and then the 11th hour, it just didn't work out. Didn't get a call back. Nothing.
So that's how it happens. Sometimes
Right.
people's plans change, their assignments get canceled, and you can you find yourself with a vacancy, which
Yeah.
is like the biggest fear of someone who's trying to buy something and sell it at the same time.
Yes.
Is that you didn't have anyone to sell it to,
Right.
which is the scariest thing.
Right.
So tell us what happened there.
So we pushed all facets and went to all platforms that we thought relevant for us. We were still in free fall. We had a couple. Actually, I don't think we even had one peak of interest.
No, nothing.
We were in free fall. We panicked. we called Al.
Called me.
for a pep talk.
Yep.
And we literally hung up the phone, and an hour later, someone called and said, "We want to see the apartment now." And I said, "Sure." So that night she signed, and yeah, that was it.
That's it. Because the fate can change in a matter of time. It's really a lot of emotional support you need on these things.
It was you're our lucky charm. you helped us through. She wouldn't have been there if we didn't call you.
Well,
great.
I don't know if I can take credit for that, but I will.
Okay.
So now, tell us what your spread is on about now. You got a contract for how long?
We've got 11. Oh, for our.
What you currently have, the first one.
She's
3 months.
She's a 3 months.
3 months. And what do you think your projected spread is going to be?
The projected spread's about, was it 700?
500.
500 on this one.
500. That's great.
Thank you.
Great on a place you don't even own.
Correct.
And about you got that check. I'm sure she paid you within a month, right? Within
Oh
30
no,
days?
she paid us that night.
They paid that night.
Yeah, that
So
night.
from beginning to end, you guys got some money, $500 within 30 days or so.
Yes, we were, not including the furnishings, we were in the black within 2 weeks.
That's amazing. That really is amazing.
That was good.
Okay,
Good. So
now the story that everyone needs to hear is that they're bored now because there's nothing for them to do. So you're gonna do what?
We're gonna get another one.
You're gonna go get another one.
Get another one.
And we had a conversation about you moving so fast, right?
Yeah, we were just trying to gauge how and
What's going.
And it's a process, like you said.
Is.
It'll come naturally.
It'll come down. But what was my deciding factor about giving you guys my blessing on going ahead? You remember what I said?
No.
I said you guys have the reserves.
Yes. Yeah.
So that's really important, is that you have the financial capacity to, if there is a vacancy, that you're not completely wiped out.
Right.
So
Absolutely.
Yeah, no problem.
So that we got people coming in, but hey,
I
thank you.
moved a little bit.
Absolutely.
And we'll
Thank
see
you,
you.
Al.
We'll see
Yeah.
you.